Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, I've decided today that I'm going to change out the door speakers in my 2002 Ford Ranger. And I just came from Best Buy, picked up this set. They are 6x8s. I'm not really a fan of Best Buy usually. I like to order things online, but they had a set in stock and they were cheap. They were 30 bucks. And I really like Kenwood. As you know, if you've watched any of my other videos, especially for the Prelude and the Miata. But the speakers that are in here right now are awful. I think they're Pyle or something. They're a real pile of shit. But the head unit that I put in, I never did a video on it, but I hate it. It is, it's a cheap Chinese brand. It's a Bluetooth and it's got navigation and everything, but the quality and the user interface is just terrible. So I'm gonna start with replacing these speakers because I know, because I had Pyle in the Miata when I replaced them with these Kenwood, and it was night and day difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these door panels off. And also something else I'm doing today, I promised another video that I would do the proper wiretaps. So I ordered some, so I'm gonna replace, I think I've got 3 wiretaps in that fuse box. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'll do the driver's door first. Take the panel off, which literally takes about 30 seconds. And swapping these out should be easy. Stay tuned. You gonna help Donovan? Or are you just gonna lay there and take a nap? Yeah? Tired, huh? Okay. All right, here with the driver's side door panel off. And these are indeed Pyle speakers, so 4 fasteners, and I'm pretty sure these will come out with no problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those out and install the new and improved speaker. All right, about 2 minutes and the speaker's installed. Everything went in. Found out actually the speaker that was in here was a 5x7 and this is a 6x8. This is actually the factory size, and I know that this speaker, these are really super cheap. These were cheap speakers, but they're better quality. So, and it's really hard to find in stock 5x8 speakers to fit this standard factory size. And I didn't really want to start hacking away at this to put some 5x9s in. So anyway, I'll go ahead and put this door panel back together. Here at the passenger side, I've got the 4 fasteners undone. Just pull this out and unplug it, which I try to do with one hand. All right, one crappy speaker removed. Get this one out of the box, put this one in, tighten it up, and it should be good to go. All right, with the speakers done, the next part of this project is going to be to install these proper fuse taps. In a prior video, I showed you that I had kind of a temporary setup here in the fuse box, which is never really a good idea. So I'm going to replace these 3 with actual taps. So looks like I got the correct size fuse. Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and first I'll do this one for the power windows. All right, well, it turns out I can't seem to find my extra stash of fuses. So I was only able to do one of these, which is a 15 amp. So I need to run to the auto parts store and pick up a variety pack of these blade type fuses so I can do these other 3. And that should pretty much take care of it. So I'm not going to film that because it's kind of boring. But anyway, I am going to get this done today. So I will probably eventually also replace the 2 rear speakers. You can't really hear them right now because they're kind of behind the seat, not in really good locations. There they are right there. But they're there, so it's nice to have 4 speakers rather than 2. So the truck itself is coming along. I really like this truck. I really like driving it. It's not the fastest thing ever, but it drives well. Doesn't have a ton of power, but it does drive well. A little bit bouncy. little bit noisy with these tires, but that's to be expected. But it's a great truck to drive on a rainy day when I don't want to drive the Mustang or anything else in the rain, because I don't want to get it all sloppy. But so that'll pretty much do it. Anyway, I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch another one of my videos. I really appreciate it. And lots more videos coming, so stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.
Thank you. Come again.